Oh!
May times na hindi ako agad maka-reply. And naintindihan naman ng mga grupo yun. And ginagawa ko naman yung best ko.
How do work-related challenges and being a academic task?
Work-related challenges makes me feel tired. But sometimes I need to rest.
Uy, lista yung pangalan nyo dun ah.
How do you deal with the emotions or feelings that arise from balancing study and work?
This time I feel stressed and balancing work and school.
Sorry po. Okay lang yan. May 300 naman.
Yan ang sinabi sa amin din nung natulog kami sa Facebook. Sabi akin na depress ka na kung ano yung kuha to.
And I manage my own time.
Number 6. How do you experience and manage your academic responsibilities and work as a business administration?
As a third-year business administration student, sometimes I experience a busy schedule because of school requirements and work. I'm managing and organizing my tasks and doing a timetable. And I always try to finish my assignments.
Number 7. How do you notice these changes in your academic performance and learning experience due to working sa business management?
I noticed that working makes me feel tired, which affects my focus. Sometimes I find it hard to study like before, and I respect by managing my time and best when I can.
How do you experience and apply the guidance using balancing your academic and work responsibilities as a third-year business administration student?
I experience guidance from my teachers and mentors help me stay organized, and I apply it when making schedule for school and work.
Number 9. How sacrifices your responsibilities as a third-year business administration student and the working student?
I sacrifice my free time to focus on school and work, and this helps me finish tasks on time, and it allows to balance my responsibilities well.
How personal insights and realizations have you gained from being a working student while studying business administration?
This time I realized that being a working student teaches me discipline, and I have learned to manage my time better, and it makes me more responsible in both work and school.
Sino pa? Si Barry muna. Si Barry.
Okay, Timo na. Solid. Next, next. May dayo. Nagpapasurvey. Number 2. How do these academic challenges influence the way you approach your studies? May dayo, mga Number 5. How do you experience and manage the situation that make it challenging to balance your school requirements and work responsibilities? May dayo, papasurvey. How personal insight and realization have you gained from being a working student and studying business administration? Naglalamang sila na rin.
improves my performance as student.
Dami nagpapasurvey oh. Kanino ba to? Ah, sino pa? Sino pa magpapasurvey oh? Punong-puno ang... Aray mo. Guys, talamak ang mga nagpapasurvey ngayon sa room namin. Nakakailan na. Ah, ito pa. Eto pa. O, ito na nga boy. Sasagutan na nga. Lahat yan, mga nagpapasurvey oh. Ito pa oh. Ano ba yan boy? Dala-dala mo pa. Ang sipag ni Viloria. Viloria! I-send ko kay Edgar. Oo.
Pangalan guys. Para sa ano lang. Rapol.
Ito pa. Sir. Oh! Makdo nga! Makdo ba yan?
Sapay.
Ang lakas mo!
Ba't kayo lumalabas? Huwag lang kasi.
May sarili akong scanner, baliw.
Baka napipicturean lang yun noon.
Okay na.
Palistahan ng pangalan.
Okay, ito na naman sa walang kamatayang research. Survey pala.
1,000 20, sunod PC. Ay mo.
Aray ko.
Wait lang.
Hoy, hinuhulaan ko lang, Toling ha.
Talagang matitis pag wala ako.
Hoy, Toling, hinuhulaan ko lang, boy. Kondya mo ka, apakadami. Aba, ilan ba to? Okay, done. Ulaan ko lang ulit. Okay lang ba?
May pakashot din ako.
Strongly agree daw eh. Ay na. Ope.
Kay Sheboy!
Hindi ko na nga rin binabasa eh. Viloria! Kayo dito, dalawa kayo. Asin lang. Kagubong ba si Viloria? Uy, ayaw naman, be. Ganito ba? Ano yan, ito?
Send ko na lang sa'yo.
Punong-puno ng mga nagpapasurvey.
Yung pinapasagutan ni Kuya kanina.
Jonah! Magkagroup ba kayo ni Viloria? Anong title nyo? Okay lang ba hulaan to?
Kahit surname na lang. Masahin mo yan, Rain. Nakaka-apekto yan sa
Sa?
reliability
Ay, ba't
and
ayun?
validity ng Amistad. Ha?
Guys, nag-research kami. Survey pala. Okay na tayo. Are you ready?
Wala na akong idadagdag na.
Hindi, kung nasa iyo, kung may gusto kong idagdag, kanyari, parang gagawin ko lang para short.
Di ba yun? Kasi mas nahirapan ko.
Parang dyan, kahit dyan, yung parang
Gawin ko na lang ano. Kasi kapag pinagdagan ko ng mahirapan.
sabagay, yung ano, nagka-type ako ulit.
Oh, may dinagdag siyang ganito. Siyempre, kailangan.
Oo nga, tama ka dyan, yun yung naman. Okay.
Ito gumagawa sa akin sa mga.
Number 1.
Wait lang, natatawa ako. Ako lang tayo pa din siya natatawa.
Si Kuya ka rin.
Natatawa ka rin pa dito. Natatawa din ba siya? Oo. Hindi pa sanay na nire-record ako.
Number 1, what are your daily experiences in handling academic tasks alongside work responsibilities as a third-year business administration working student?
So, yan. Gumagawa ako ng mga daily duties. Inaayos ko yung mga task ko, bawat araw. Sa gabi naman, nag-aaral ako. Siyempre, kahit antok na, tinatapos ko.
Number 2, what academic challenges do you encounter while balancing your studies and work responsibilities?
Nahihirapan ako sa time management. Minsan, late magpasa, kulang sa tulog, kaya sinusubukan ko yung ayusin yung task.
3, what work-related challenges have you experienced that shape how you perform and participate in your academic studies?
Mahabang oras sa siyempre, hirap mag-focus, pero tinatry ko pa.
Number 4, what emotions or feelings do you experience when managing both academic and work demands?
Siyempre, stress ako. Pero hopefully, masaya ako para natatapos. Siyempre, motivated ako sa mga
What situation do you encounter that make it challenging to balance your school requirements and work responsibilities?
mahirap kasi kapag may presentation tapos may isang oras para mag-prepare. Nakaka-pressure talaga pero ginagawa ko na yan.
Number 6, what are your lead experiences in managing your academic responsibilities and work as a third-year business administration student?
Siguro mas natuto akong magtyaga, mas maging organized ako, mas maging patient at naging independent.
Number 7, what changes do you notice in your academic performance and learning experiences due to working and what action do you take in response to these changes?
Diyan naman, nag-aaral ako ng essay